It is.
Hello,
Who are you?
I'm Kayla.
Kayla who?
And I'm Kayla Rain Wiggins.
Kayla Rain Wiggins. How old are you, Kayla?
I'm 5.
Yeah, when are you going to be 6?
When it's October 8th,
Oh. So what are we doing right now?
we're playing with the puppies outside again.
Yeah.
And
What is this cage that they're in?
it's something so they won't it's something so they won't go on the road.
They won't go in the road because we're in the front yard, aren't we?
And they won't go on the road.
Yes, and we're just out on the front yard letting them play out here.
Hey, don't. No play.
They don't have much room to play in. Come on, guys, play. Do something.
They're a little quiet right now.
They are. Are they sleepy, do you think?
Well, one of them are sleeping.
Yeah.
Booties. Booties. Cocos.
Look, a little bit over there, just climbing all over everybody playing.
At least she's doing something.
Yeah. And there's Twig right behind her.
Oh. Twiggies. Twiggies. Now they're doing something. Hey. Are you bumping me? One of them got some front teeth.
Yeah. Who's that, Kayla?
This is...
Is that Leaf? I think it is.
Me too. You're so cute. Yeah, this looks... Yeah, this
Look
is...
at him trying to lick you through the wires. Oh. He says, I love you, Kayla. Hello. That'd be Tulip, I think.
Hey,
It is.
where's Tulip?
And then we got Basil right there with that little lightning bolt going down his... Look at little Tulip. Hello, Tulip.
You're so cute, Tulip. You're so cute, Tulip.
And then, let's see. So that's Sage right there. Oh, Tim! Tim! Sprinklers just went on. Excuse me. It is raining. Okay, thanks, Tim.
Cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs. The puppies are like, what are you doing, Kayla?
I'm wet. You see that we're wet.
Yes. That was nice, though, because it's kind of... Well, hello there.
It was kind of hot.
There's Holly.
It was kind of hot. It was kind of
Uh-oh,
hot.
Holly. You don't like her doing that, do you?
It was kind of hot.
Yeah.
So it's kind of good. But the
Yeah.
blanket got wet.
Oh, it's okay. It's not... It'll dry.
You guys will dry too. Did you
Hello,
not
Twig.
like it?
There's Twig right here. Hi, Twig.
I
And that
think,
little girl whining is Tulip.
I think they're
Twig's
whining
gonna bite the
because
fingers.
they got wet.
Yeah. They're all huddling over there now. I don't know what they see.
Oh.
Got Sleepy Guy over there. That's Thorn.
I'm going to see that little guy over here. You know,
Then you gotta pet her, Kayla.
What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong?
This is the stance I was talking about. The puppies get on top of the other dog and stand over them. They're all doing it. Oh, little Rose.
You look like you're curly. I just want to call her curly.
Rose. We got Rose and Tulip right there.
Oh, she looks like she has a little curls. I mean, him or she or you.
Whoever.
Yeah, what? Yeah, you are right. They're pulling her tail.
Yes, they are pulling her tail. Poor little thing. She's the only one with a tail, and what do they go for? Her tail.
That's their only tail.
Yeah.
That's their only play toy.
It's their only play toy, is it?
That they
Have out here?
that they can play with. And it's a tail. That's why we got them some toys, right?
Yes. So they can play with toys.
Instead of her tail.
Yes.
You won't have your tail pulling anymore. We got wet. Why did he put the sprinklers on? Why do you think Grandpa put the sprinklers on?
That's Thorn attacking Little Bit right now.
Little Bit's going to win, I think.
No, that's not Thorn. Who is that?
I think Little Bit's going to win.
You think so?
Little Bit! Yeah! Yeah! Little Bit! Little Bit!
Not sure who that is.
Yay!
That might be Rose. Don't let her chew on you, Kayla.
Hey!
Tell her no. No chew.
No.
No chew.
No. No. Stop.
She's
Stop.
okay. She's not biting you anymore.
Stop. Don't climb on him. Don't climb on him. No. Don't bite. Don't bite. Don't bite. Good. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hey. No. Good. No. No, no, no. 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 Okay? No. Okay? No. No. No.
Is she licking or is she biting? She can lick, that's fine, but we
she's
don't
a
want her
little-
biting.
Maybe,
Hi, Little Bit.
but what if she sucks on me?
Is that what she's doing?
I think.
You think?
Hey. Hey. Can you whine?
What are you whining about?
Maybe she wants someone to
Oh,
pet
there's
her.
Sage back there.
I think she's...
Why are you wet? Why are you crying?
Maybe
Oh, Rose?
because...
Oh, no, that's Tulip.
Maybe because she's lonely.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Hi, Sage.
Oh, yeah. Oh. I see.
Hello, Rosie.
Hello.
Hello, Kayla. Hello, pretty girl. Hello, pretty girl. Yes, I'm talking about you. Oh, you're all pretty. You're all a bunch of pretty puppies. Oh, go to sleep now. Hello, boy. That be our Twig and Holly. That's our Rose and Tulip. There's our Pine. Just taking it easy. And our Sagey. A little bit, just going at it. I do think she has a lot of energy, but she's just not wild energy. It's just kind of a real gentle play she has. A little bit.
Oh.
You're all going to sleep. Go to sleep, girls. 2 girls not sleeping. Everybody else is tuckered out. Okay, that's enough.
Why?
Because my battery's running out. Good night. Say good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Say happy Saturday night.